In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer files between two OneDrive accounts in just a few minutes. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to manage your files across multiple accounts with ease. To start, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Microsoft account page. Enter your username and password, and once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Microsoft dashboard. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the app launcher, which appears as a small grid icon usually found in the upper left corner of your screen. This will open up a menu displaying all available Microsoft apps. From this menu, click on OneDrive to access your cloud storage. Once inside OneDrive, locate and click on the My Files option. This section contains all the files and folders stored in your OneDrive account. Browse through your files and select the folder you wish to transfer to another OneDrive account by clicking on it. This action will highlight the folder, indicating that it is selected. Now, with your folder selected, look for the Share button, usually found at the top of the OneDrive interface, and click on it. This will bring up options to share the folder with other users. In the text box that appears, type in the email address of the other OneDrive account you want to transfer the folder to, ensuring it's typed in correctly to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the email address, you have two options to proceed. You can simply click on the Send button, which will send a sharing invitation directly to that email address. Alternatively, you can click on Copy Link to generate a link that you can manually send to the recipient through email, messaging apps, or any other communication platform. Remember, before sending the link or invitation, it's crucial to check the permissions you're granting. Ensure that the Can Edit option is selected. This allows the receiving account to edit and manage the files within the folder, which is particularly important if collaboration or further changes are needed. After sending the folder or link, log out of the current Microsoft account and log into the other OneDrive account. Once there, navigate to the Shared section found in the main menu. This section will list all files and folders shared with this account. Click on the folder you've just shared and then click on Copy to transfer the folder into this account's storage, or click on Add Shortcut to My Files for easier access. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations, you've successfully transferred your files between two OneDrive accounts. This method allows for a seamless and organized way to manage files across personal and professional accounts.